Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the App Store and installing Google One, then sign in with the Google account you want to back up. Once signed in, grant the app permission to access photos and contacts. These are essential. Next, tap Backups and enable iPhone backup toggles for photos, contacts, and device data. Make sure you review storage usage so you know if the free 15 GB is enough or if you should upgrade to 100 GB or another plan. Now configure the detailed backup settings so the process is reliable and efficient. Choose photo quality, original for full resolution or storage saver to save space, which affects how quickly your quota fills. Then decide whether to run backups manually or allow automatic backups over Wi-Fi and while charging to avoid battery drain. Also, verify additional items like messages and app data. Include only what matters to you. Complete the process by confirming the backup finishes. Check the timestamp and the total size to ensure everything uploaded. If something fails, first make sure your iPhone is on a stable Wi-Fi network, plugged in, and that Google One has the necessary permissions in settings. Also confirm you have enough storage in your Google account and consider freeing space or upgrading your plan. If problems continue, use the Google One in-app support chat or the restore tools to troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.